It's raining, chat. Well, sort of. I'm kind of in between storms right now. It's just lightly sprinkling right now. But there is a chance that I might get caught in a fairly decent sized rainstorm. And there has been lightning today, which should be fun. Ah! And it was nice because my boss was nice enough to offer me his truck to take home because I'll just be back in the morning anyway. I told him it'd probably be fine. I just got a new rear tire. It's got good grip. It's probably going to be fine. But you can see what I'm driving into. It's very dark up there. And as you can see from the road already, it was storming pretty good. But we're going to see if we can't... Oh, was that just lightning? But we're going to see if we can't get home before the next storm comes. But I'm kind of doubtful because I think I'm driving right into it. Oh my goodness, I can't even see! It's like a skating pond! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Oh gosh, I'm so wet! And this car in front of me doesn't have its headlights on! I can't even see you! Ah! Oh, rain's getting in through my visor! I'm getting hit in the face! Ah! This was totally worth it! I'm having fun! Ah, oh no! Oh gosh, I'm so wet! I'm having so much fun! I'm having fun, chat! I'm having fun! You should really try this sometime! Oh gosh. Oh, I'm slipping, chat. Felt a little slippage on that corner. You see, I could have easily stopped at that gas station back there and waited underneath the canopy. But then I wouldn't have gotten content out of it. I'm doing this for you, chat. If you're not already followed, you should totally follow me, because I'm doing this for you. having fun. I'm having so much fun. Oh no! Oh, the water's running down my pants! Oh no! Oh, my butt's getting wet! Oh, it's so squishy. Ah, my bike was due for a wash anyway. I think we're through it, chat. I think we're through it. I see sunny skies ahead. We made it, chat. We made it through. Ah! Oh, I'm so wet. I'm soaked to the bone. Oh no. Oh man, this is gonna be fun getting out of.